The camelina oil processing line provided by Henan Zhongrui is designed to ensure maximum yield while maintaining the nutritional integrity of the oil. From cleaning and crushing the seeds to pressing and filtering the oil, every step of the process is meticulously engineered to meet international standards. Their machines are known for their robust construction, ease of operation, and low maintenance requirements. What sets Henan Zhongrui apart is its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company offers personalized services, including site visits, technical consultations, and after-sales support, ensuring that clients receive optimal performance from their equipment. Additionally, they continuously invest in research and development to incorporate the latest technologies into their products. For businesses looking to enter or expand in the camelina oil industry, partnering with Henan Zhongrui Machinery is a strategic choice. Their comprehensive range of equipment, combined with exceptional service, makes them a trusted name among global customers. Whether you're a startup or an established player, Henan Zhongrui's innovative solutions will help streamline your operations and enhance profitability. If you're searching for a dependable camelina oil processing machinery provider, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co.